Okay, I gotta rewire the 5x10 camper trailer. These were some old lights that were on it from when it was a farm trailer, and they were really badly damaged and held together with duct tape. So you buy this kit, LED light kit from, I'm gonna take the camera loose. Might be a little shaking going on here because I'm not a steady hand, one hand camera holder guy. So you buy this light set. Of course, you make sure you have, I have more wire than this, so it goes out to, set this down right here. Make sure it's long enough to where it can plug into the back of the truck with ease. So don't cut your wires. You see the yellow and the brown, they go down the left rear side of the trailer, which is that side with the license plate. And if you look here, these two color wires go down the right rear. And when I go into the trailer a little bit, it's real easy. Don't let it be confusing to you. It's not hard at all. Alright, let's get my hat off so I can see. Now you see it. The yellow and the brown wire running right along here. Okay, I'm going to try to turn over so I can get, and it goes right along here, right down there, and you have these little clips that go here, and then your wire clips into that, because what you don't want to do is you don't want to have your wire dangling down where it's going to get hung up by something, or you go out to the farm, and then you can see the same thing here with the other side. You can see the wire running right down the tongue right there. Just find you an out of the way spot somewhere where the wire won't be chafed or rubbed or pinched. Keep it away from the leaf springs or any moving parts like the shackles, and run it all the way back there to the back. You can see that wire hanging down right there, and then wire hanging down right here by the new light fixture, tail light. All right, now we come down here. Let me get a tripod. I'm a big fan of the tripod because trying to do it one-handed and without a tripod just kind of makes for not as quite a good a video. Well, let's just drop the tripod down a little bit. Okay, so we see the bracket for the tail light lens, and I'm going to move it around this way because I think the sunlight's jacking with your view. And it's just as easy as take the white wire, and it comes like this. Take the white wire, put it on there for your ground, and then you can go ahead and you can bolt these up and then connect your wires. So what I want to do is I'm going to need about that much wire. So leave yourself some extra so if there's an accident you can fix it. Spread it out a little bit, and pull you some more plastic coating off of that, and a little bit off here too. And you can just, if you want to, you could just twist them together. Make sure you got the one with the clear window for over the license plate, so it eliminates your license plate. You can twist those together, put the yellow with the yellow and that one with that one, and you can just tape them, or you can get those real nice shrink wraps where, you know, when you do it like this, you could, you know, have your shrink wrap on here and it solder it, whatever you want to do, whatever works for you. Use a twist cap those and these, and once that's twisted together, and you got it wrapped up with the tape, just put it up there, bolt it on. It's just that easy. Now if you want to run side markers that's up to you. I am not going to run side markers because the only place to run them will be right here, and I have a side tent that goes right here, and the plastic comes up like this, and I have magnetic strips that go here. If I put the side marker on there, it's just going to be in the way. If you have any questions about which is the positive and which is the negative on your side markers, there's your battery right there, 9-volt battery. Just put this wire on, put one wire on each post until you get it to light up, then you know you got it right. Now if you, on these LED lights, if you rig them backwards, I can't get my finger. You can't. If you rig it backwards, it's not gonna light up. See. So, anyway, side markers are not necessary on my ride, but it's not hard to do. The instructions they're pretty good. Just run, like you see, yellow and brown one down one side and the other color down the other side, clip them to the frame, tie the wires to the light, wrap some plastic tape around that, and you're good to go. Rewiring or putting new LED lights on an old trailer.